We're tracking hazardous air quality across parts of the valley today.
The Park Fire, now the fourth largest wildfire in California history, and it's still pumping out toxic smoke, and that smoke is on the move. A look behind us, you can see just how smoky it was earlier today in Butte County, and it's not looking much better now.
It's not good. Action News Now reporter Camille Acevedo is live in Chico. Camille, what can people do to avoid the potential danger?
Right, Alan. So the biggest thing is just limit your time spent outdoors if you can, and of course do not exercise outdoors if you can. Now, you could see behind me, it is very smoky in the distance, but if you've been outside at any point today, maybe driving, you know what I'm talking about. It has been very smoky all day today, and according to the Butte County Air Quality District Management, it has been like this all day, and that the air has been very unhealthy. Now, this is video that I took earlier today. You can see all the smoke in the air. Butte County Air Quality Management uses air monitoring stations and sensors that are placed throughout the county to track conditions.
Well, today we are seeing our worst air quality in the Chico area since the fire began. Air quality has been in the unhealthy range for quite an extended period of time.
Manley says people with respiratory conditions, children, and senior citizens should be extra sensitive when going outside because of the smoke that can cause poor respiratory symptoms. Other tips to ensure your health is healthy by making sure your vehicle is on recirculate so it doesn't draw in outside air, and to turn off fresh air intake from your HVAC systems in your home and make sure the air is being filtered through filtration. Now, Manley says that they are going to continue to monitor the air quality index systems, and that because it fluctuates, it fluctuates because the fire is still ongoing, but that they're going to continue to update it on the website, and you could go to airnow.gov to check the most up-to-date API index. Live here in Chico, I'm Camille Acevedo for Action News Now.
Thanks, Camille.